Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LB, and today we're gonna do a first impression on this beautiful Chanel clutch with chain. I recently did unbox this a few days ago, and I am just so happy with this purchase. I think this is a practical and functional purse that if you are thinking of a grab and go purse without breaking the bank, this is really love the functionality and the practicality and the look of this purse that I want to share it with you guys. Let's go on the detail of this purse and on what fits, and we will also do a mud shot at the end. So the aesthetic look of the purse, and this is what it looks like up close. This is a beautiful shade of baby blue color that is just right for summer or even on winter time, or I just can say all seasons. It just gives a happy color on your outfit. And this is what it looks like. It is in caviar leather, and this is really made well. There's no feet at the bottom. This is retail for $2,100 US, which is not bad for a Chanel purse, and it has a turn lock opening, which is like the other Chanel flap bags. And inside looks like this. And here it has 4 card slots, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it is leather lined as well, which is the same with the Chanel Mini and other Chanel flaps. And it has 2 grommets here. And it is nice that the opening is, the flap is large enough to cover this. If you will extend this side. So other Chanel purses are tapered like this, but this one has the same capacity from the bottom of the purse. It will extend it like that, and you can still close the bag. And it has a beautiful chain, which is the same size of a Chanel walk. And let's measure the length of the strap. The strap drop is 21.5 inches, and the length of the purse is 7 inches. Across is 4.5, and the width is 2 inches. Look at the front of the purse and the back, guys. It was stitched all around it, and also here at the back pocket, and here in front it also stitched here, which you will know right away that this will stand the test of time. And inside has also like the same stitching, so it's all the way. And also here. So it is nice that they didn't skip on the stitching when it comes to durability of the purse. And let's try to put what fits so that you'll be able to know if we're gonna play on our different small leather goods. I also did what fits in my unboxing video, but at least you'll be able to see how it will fit with the other SLGs. So you can also use this as a wallet, as it has 4 card slots. But for this video, we're gonna try to put really bulky SLG, so you'll be able to know the capacity of this purse. And let's start with this mini pochette. So this one has stuff inside, and let's put it inside this purse. So you'll be able to see the width of the purse, that it has also extended it already. And let's try to put a cell phone. So this is the case of iPhone. So this is the old case of my iPhone 10, and it fits, and there's still space. Oh, let's try to put this YSL card holder. So it does close, however it's really stretched out, and we don't want that. So let me remove this one, and let's try to put this Chanel mini oak case. and let's close it. So I guess with the mini O case, it is just the right fit for all of these. So you can have your iPhone, this is iPhone 10, and then the card holder and a mini O case. So basically your essentials will gonna fit, and let's try to put this Victorine wallet, which is a 3-fold wallet from Louis Vuitton, and it will fit inside. And let's see, let's be realistic and put this sanitizer in, and also an AirPod, lipstick. Let's try to put 2 lipsticks, and this is what it looks like, and let's close it. So it's also closes, and this is what it looks like at the side. So these are 2 lipsticks, a Victorine wallet, a sanitizer, and an AirPod. So it does fits a lot. And let's try to put card holders in. Let's try these Carrera sunglasses that I have without the case. We'll put it in. And then let's put a card holder, and also 1 lipstick. Or let's put this sanitizer first. And this is not small. This fits my palm, and this is from CVS, and let's put it inside. And the lipstick on top, and an AirPod. And let's close it. So it is nice that it can fit a lot. You can bring your essentials like sunglasses, an AirPod, a sanitizer, card holder, and this. So this all fits inside this purse, which is amazing. I really love practicality of this purse, as it does fits a lot. And let's try to put my iPhone here at the back and see if it will fit. iPhone case, and this is the iPhone 10, and it will fit. However, it's like stretched out. If you prefer to put your phone here at the back, it does fit. And you can also fit here, let's say, let's put 2 card holders, a Chanel and a YSL. Let's put back this Carrera sunglasses, and a lipstick, and this AirPod, and sanitizer here on top. So it will close, but again, it is stretched out, so I wouldn't want that. But if you will remove this sanitizer, it will close very well. The side, it will look like this. So it does really fit a lot, and for the price you won't be able to really spend much for a Chanel purse, as it does fit your cell phone. I prefer my handbags to fit my cell phone, of course, who doesn't, as we carry our cell phones with us all the time. And with this beautiful purse, it does fit all the stuff that we needed for daily basis. So I can say this is a practical and grab to go bag, and you will not really baby this much, as this is in caviar leather, and you can see the stitches are reinforced really well. I think this will really last for a long time, even for everyday use, because having seen and feel and look at the workmanship of this bag, you will really get the most from your money that you spent for this. And I love that they thought of putting a pocket here at the back to fit your receipts and cell phones and even cash. And I thought at first this north-south look of the bag will not look good on me. That's why I did not really pay attention when this first came out. But in time, the more I see it, the more I was able to think that it might work on my lifestyle, and I'm glad that I did buy this even without trying it on, as it does fit my lifestyle, and I love the look, and I love this turn lock logo and the leather lining inside, as it doesn't feel like Chanel has kept on the basic look of a flap bag. Like they squeezed to put it in this small bag and didn't really raise the price, as the price is affordable for a Chanel purse at 2,100 US dollars. If you are thinking of a grab and go bag, or if you are thinking of trying any Chanel purse, this is the best bag to start with, as it is pretty, it's functional, it's practical, and it is made really well. So let me know what you think of this, guys. I will do another mud shot. I did on my unboxing video with my jean pants on, and right now we'll try it with my denim shorts, so you'll be able to see how it looks if you wear shorts all the time. Stay tuned for the mud shots, and please do like this video and subscribe, because I am still going to compare this with my other designer bags, so you'll be able to see how it compares with Louis Vuitton and Chanel purses. Take care, everyone, and may all of you have a good day. Thank you for watching, and stay safe, everyone. Bye. Stay tuned for the mud shots.